Okay, so welcome back to the spaghetti squash video, and I have taken the squash out of the oven after an hour at 350, and now I'm going to just make sure they're soft, and oh, they feel really soft. I can already tell. I was going to turn it over with the tongs, but I can already tell it's soft and it's going to be really good. So this is what happens with spaghetti squash is when you go like this, it comes out like spaghetti. So what we do is we just keep it, we eat this as the bowl. So we're going to keep this as the bowl. We're going to put some of that spinach I sauteed yesterday and some tomato sauce, some spaghetti sauce, and maybe sprinkle a little vegan cheese on it. I wish I had not broccoli. I wish I had parsley, but I don't have any parsley. But I do have some fresh oregano. Dried oregano from my garden. That was not fresh, but dried from my garden. So maybe we'll put that on it. But this is what it comes out like. It came out really good. It's perfect. It's nice and soft. This was a small one, so if you're making a bigger squash, you're gonna have to check on it, and you may need to. If it's not soft enough, and if you can't get the spaghetti to come off like that, then you have to put it back in, and maybe like at 10-minute intervals or 15-minute intervals you can recheck it. But this came out really good, perfect. So we are now going to eat our dinner, and we are going to enjoy our delicious spaghetti squash. Maybe I'll post another clip of the spinach and tomato sauce in there, but we'll see. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Okay, well, I hope you all try it because, like I said, super easy and it's delicious. Enjoy.